Good evening, teacher. I am student Jason Chumanya. I am going to talk about the PEA project. If I had to choose just one restaurant to visit again and again, it would definitely be La Costa Food, located in Quito, specifically on Núñez de Vela Street. From the first time I went, I feel completely in love with the flavor, the service, and the atmosphere. This restaurant specialist is fresh seafood prepared with a modern twist while maintaining the essence of Ecuadorian cuisine. From the moment you walk in, the atmosphere envelops you with its inspired decor, hanging nets, paintings of fish, blue and white tones, and soft music that makes you feel like you are at the beach. The place is clean, tidy, and always smells of fresh, delicious used food. The last time I went, I sat near the window and while I waited for my dish, the chef was preparing a ceviche in full view of everyone. I found it fascinating to watch how he blended the ingredients with such precision. I I have visited this restaurant several times, and each experience has been unique. I have gone sometimes with my family, other times with friends, and once even with my partner to enjoy a kid moment with her. I have always been served with a smile, and that is greatly appreciated. Here you meet skins of people, families celebration birthdays, couples enjoying a romantic date, tourists looking for good food, and even executives coming for a unique lunch. There is a very interesting mix of people, which kept the restaurant always lively and energetic. For me, La Costa Food isn't just a restaurant. It is a complete experience. It shows you the dis- disconnect from the street of the city and travel to the coast with just one bite. The seafood, the atmosphere, the service, and the energy of the place make every visit special. If you ever come to Quito, I would wholeheartedly recommend this place. I am sure I'll be back soon to try a new dish on the menu. Maybe the encocado or a special ceviche. Thank you.